This is supposed to be me right now.
A double kilo.
But instead, I have to go in this hot ass sun. Are you mocking me? Doing an oil change. Make this quick. He thought it was in the strip. Rule number 1, in any maintenance mechanic stuff, I don't know. There is no rules, just advice, have your tools ready. Make sure you have the right tools, because half the time when you're doing a job, you spend more time looking for a tool or struggling with a tool that's not the right tool just to do something. So a 30-minute job could take into like a 2-hour job. Trust me, but time flies by. It's actually on the stands. Let's get the show on the road, baby. Nice clean set of tools, but then they all went everywhere, and luckily my dad has a new set of tools. Yeah. If you guys don't know something about me, I used to have an Eagle 10 that I loved working on. And by working on, I mean like just, you know, regular stuff. But then a few upgrades here and there. And I need this. I believe it's what is it, 14 or 17? I'll take that. You wanna hear a joke? Yeah, me too. Ooh, what a drop. Mom, that was my lightsaber.
Daddy.
This is the cover. Here's the oil filter.
Yes.
Here's the drain.
Daddy.
Yeah?
Dad, I miss you.
I miss you too, even though I'm right here.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, it's in my face.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, I got squirted on my face. No, baby, that's not water. Oh, crap.
Whoa, what is that?
It's brand new. Get him. Alright guys, quick update. Don't forget to put the oil drain back, new oil filter, the cover, skid cover back, and then put some oil on top. And by on top, I mean in the engine. Not on top of the engine. There's an oil thing in there. You know what you gotta do. Don't look at me like that. You stop acting goofy. I know. You can't control yourself. You're looking at greatness. Trust me. It's a struggle every day. With that being said, my camera died. So this is where we're at now. You know, cameras don't have unlimited energy like the 80s. Woo! Isn't this great? I guess.